Hello, darlings. Hello, creative ones. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you all for your love and your support. And today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to stone this vintage scarf. So this vintage scarf, you can actually add to your business. You can make this for yourself. This scarf is one of the scarf that people are using now. So the next tutorial on the vintage scarf, I'll be teaching you how to use a paper stone. But for now, we are going to be using a stone to we're going to be using stone to embellish it now. So this is for beginners that don't know how to use stone for it. So this is my vintage scarf. This size is a large size. It's a big size. It has a small size and it has a big size. So if you want to tutorial on how to make this scarf, you can just comment on this video. Then we're going to do the tutorial. So if you need the tutorial, so this is the scarf. This scarf is a big scarf. So this scarf is a big scarf. Can you see it? It's a big scarf. So I'm going to fold into just like a triangle, or how will I put it? So I'm going to fold just like that. I'm not going to fold straight. Just look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to fold just like this. I'll fold into two. This vintage scarf, you can rock it like this, and you can use stone, and sorry, you can use the pepper stone. So I'm going to teach you the story on how to use the paper stone, like I said earlier. And so this is it. Just look at the front side. If you want to stone it, you just have to fold into two and work on the front part. You don't need to stone it round. So you're going to focus on the front side of the scarf, just like the front side where you're going to tie it. So I already fold. So I already fold. I fold like this. Here's what I'm doing. So can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern? So if you want to stone it, you're going to follow the pattern. I'm going to follow the pattern in this tutorial. So this is my stone. You can use your gum. You can use iron. You can use stoning machine. You can use your soldering iron. So I'm going to be teaching you how to use the soldering iron in my next tutorial. So now this is the stone part. What you're going to be doing now, if you are using the soldering iron, you just have to arrange it before you use it. So just look at it. How you're going to be following that pattern you're going to be following the pattern. So I'll be following the pattern. So I'm going to pick up my gum. Pick up my gun. If I'm using a stoning machine, if I'm using a soldering iron, what I'm going to be doing, you're going to arrange it first. If you're working with a soldering iron, so like I said again, in my next tutorial, we'll be working with soldering iron. I'm going to show you how to use that. And so you're going to stone it, follow that pattern to make it so beautiful. So just see, can you see? You don't need to rush yourself when it comes to stoning. Just take your time to stone. So it's going to come out so beautiful, and the stone is going to last on the scarf. So you just have to follow the pattern. You need to follow the pattern. Can you see what I'm doing? It's very, very easy to do. So make sure you follow the pattern. You are going to arrange. So I'm going to arrange the stone inside the box. So this is my gum that I'll be using, my base is 1000. So I'll be just a drop on it. Can you see? Just have to take your time. A drop on it. You pick it up and keep stoning it. So you keep stoning it, you keep stoning it till we get to the last just keep stoning it. So you keep following that pattern. Like I said earlier, you follow the pattern. So stoning really take times. Can you say this really take time? So this is a DIY that you can do for yourself. You just have to take your time, sit down, relax, and stone it by yourself. Add it to your business, rock it to church, rock it to just rock it out. It's so beautiful. You can make this for yourself. You can even actually do this and give someone for a gift. So we keep stoning it so we get the last pattern. Just keep following keep following the pattern. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Sorry, I have to just use some music on this video. I don't want to really talk much on this video because it's easy to do. It's a straightforward tutorial. So it's just I'm going to follow that pattern. Can you see? I still have some pattern I have not done. So I'm going to follow that pattern. Can you see? This is the pattern I'm using. So now we're going to follow that pattern. So guys, so we're done with the tutorial. We're with this. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Can you see this is the final look and this is so beautiful? Just add this to your business. Make this for yourself. Bye. I'll be seeing you next time in my next video.